I'm an apprentice in the maintenance department with Rigid. My name is Jarrett Gherkin. I'm from LaGrange.
I'm Justin Weatherby. I'm in the apprenticeship multi-trade technician position in the maintenance department here at Rigid. I'm from Wellington. I'm a current student at Lorain County Community College with their multi-trade technician program.
I'm a student at Lorain County Community College as a part of this program. I take a new class each semester, sometimes 2 classes per semester, with material that relates to my actual job. We work full-time, 40 hours plus during the week, and then go to school in the evening.
So we go from just mechanical to hitting a hammer on things to getting inside the electrical box, running down wires, seeing the problem, to something getting smashed and you got to remake it, welding and fabricating. Something new every day.
Yeah, I think it's a great choice. It opened a lot of opportunities for myself and for my family that I otherwise wouldn't have had.
It's good. It's a good fit.